Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Porsche 911 Carrera. This two-door coupe has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter H6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a 7-speed manual transmission. This Porsche is a steal with less than 4,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include sunroof, heated front seats, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, DVD player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.